Dodge just delivered what muscle car fans have been asking for. The modern Charger has returned in a version focused purely on drag strip speed with a supercharged V8. It is called the 2025 Dodge Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pack, and it brings back the Hemi Thunder in a factory-built package that is ready to compete. The body carries the latest Charger design, but the magic is in the materials. Dodge fits carbon fiber versions of the hood, doors, front fascia, and hatch, cutting mass so effectively that the Hustle Stuff is 100 pounds lighter than the previous Challenger drag pack. Under the hood sits a supercharged 354 cubic inch 5.8-liter V8 built around a new Generation 3 aluminum Hemi block. The parts list reads like a racer wish book with new H-beam connecting rods, diamond aluminum pistons, a forged crankshaft, and a lightweight billet supercharger tensioner. Power runs through a Coan Racing XLT 3-speed automatic with a high-performance torque converter because durability and lightning quick shifts decide races. Dodge says the package can run elapsed times under 8 seconds. To put power down, the Charger gains new suspension geometry with a strengthened 4-link rear setup and a Mark Williams Enterprises 9.0-inch rear axle, using a 4.30-to-1 final drive ratio. Buyers can personalize the build. A lightweight engine component package adds a Blackbird front cover and an external oil pump kit. A rear anti-roll bar is available along with a dedicated data package. You can also choose a Racetech lightweight carbon seat kit that removes an estimated 20 pounds and a Driveline Lightweight Kit that saves 7 pounds with a carbon drive shaft. Knuckle white is standard, and 18 additional colors are offered, including B5 Blue, Frostbite, Go Mango, Plum Crazy, Sinamon Stick, and Sublime, with graphics packages available. Safety and compliance are covered with an SFI 25.57.50. Elapsed time National Hot Rod Association certified chromalite roll cage. Sabolt Lightweight SFI certified seats. Sabolt SFI certified safety harnesses, and a window net. Dodge will build only 50 units for National Hot Rod Association sportsman racers, and the car is approved for factory stock Showdown competition. Pricing starts at $234,995 before destination. Reservations for the 2026 Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pack open on October 31st. If you are among the first owners to score a National Hot Rod Association factory stock Showdown event win, Dodge will add a $26,000 bonus.